Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into something that's been making waves in the tech world, which is DeepSeek. If you are a developer, a student preparing for an interview, or you are studying, or maybe you are a software engineer who is working on an important project or feature, or you're just someone loves cutting edge tools, this one is for you. What is DeepSeek and why is everyone talking about it? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will see why DeepSeek is must have in your toolkit. So let's get started. First, what is DeepSeek? Short answer, it's like ChatGPT. DeepSeek is an AI-powered platform designed to help developers and engineers to solve complex problems faster uh, and more efficient. It's like having personal coding mentor, like or maybe interview coach, or like maybe a problem-solving assistant, all rolled into one. Whether you're tackling, for example, data structure algorithms or system design, DeepSeek provide real-time feedback, step-by-step solutions, and even personalized learning paths. It's not just another coding platform or an AI platform. It's a smarter way to learn and to grow as a developer. Okay, but why DeepSeek is so good? So, if we want to talk about why why DeepSeek stands out from the crowd, there are some things we need to like consider. The first one is it's an AI powered problem solving. Like DeepSeek uses advanced AI to break down complex problems in manageable steps. It doesn't just give you the answer, it teaches you how to think through the problem. This is a game changer, for example, for an interview prep or maybe for building the actual project. Like we're understanding the process just as important as the solution. Also, it has a personalized learning path or LP. So DeepSeek adapts to your skill levels and goals, whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer. It tailors its recommendations to help you focus on area where you need where you need at most. Also, it has real-time feedback. It's not as it's not as laggy or as buggy as ChatGPT, and I will create a video that talks about ChatGPT. It has a real-time feedback. Like imagine having a mentor who can instantly review your code, point out mistakes, and suggest optimizations. That's exactly what DeepSeek does. It's like having a peer programming partner available 24/7. Also, it has a comprehensive coverage, like from coding challenges to system designs and even like difficult math problems. DeepSeek covers everything you need to ace your software interviews or to ace your software tasks. So we can talk about what we can talk about else. We can talk about how DeepSeek helps with you to prepare your interview. We can talk about that for sure. But I guess will be behind the scope of uh, this video, because it's just a small video that talks about, like, yeah, we have DeepSeek. Maybe I will create another video. What is differences between DeepSeek and ChatGPT, and why do I think that DeepSeek is a game changer and it might be way more better than ChatGPT? So that's it for this video, and it just we're talking about DeepSeek and why it's quite important, and we talk about what it's and why, and we send that with AI powered. It has personalized, it has a real time feedback, and this is big one. And also, it uses way more less power than ChatGPT. Also, it's a quite cheaper. It's an open source. Anyone can use it, free. And yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the future.